Somebody's knocking on the front door. Holy cow, it's like out of the Bird movie. Oh! Oh! Holy crap! Yeah, they're going. Donna. Donna. I'm in the corner. I can't. Donna, are you staying with Mom tonight? Because that right there, move. Let me get a picture of this right here. What does that say? Please do not feed the birds.
Oh, I wasn't. I was getting rid of old food.
Yeah, okay, officer. I didn't understand the law.
Look, I was standing in front of it. I was scared.
Yeah, I was scared. My daddy. Donna, that one came within 2 inches of your head.
Oh, one of them I touched.
Y'all, ooh.
I laughed so hard,
Have you ever had a seagull poop in your ear?
No.
Well, I have, and it's not funny.
Look down there. It really was like the birds, wasn't it? Yeah.
Come up there, the shadow of that wall. Look like he's coming in.
Jeff, set your map guide and go get us some saltine crackers.
I don't need MapQuest to get crackers. Here comes one.
Oh, they're above us. Oh, look.
Well, yeah, they're not stupid.
They're not hanging out too far. Oh, look, they're looking at us. Get a picture of their butts. Look at that. Look at them looking at us. Look there. I'm gonna wait. Where'd our...
Yeah, here comes the real bird, the showman in this.
Oh, there he is overhead. Yay! Why don't you pick on us?
I can't see him.
Law-abiding people. And Meg said she's going to bring Pat. No, I said that. And Meg said, oh. Well, where's she going to leave him when she comes to the house? They found that. Well, that was just a tiny morsel, and they found it.